Hi guys, I am going to make a new dish today, and I have about 2 pounds of ground meat, and I've seasoned it with onion and garlic powder and some other seasonings of my choice. And remember to always use the seasonings of your choice. I'm going to put some of these mashed potatoes in there. I'm not measuring. I'm just pouring some in. So you know when you have enough of what you want. I have 3 eggs in here, and I'm going to put them in here and mix all of this together and let you see what I have here. Gonna mix this really well together like so. I may have to put on my gloves and get my hands right down in it. Wait just a second. I'm going to put on my kitchen gloves. Once I get them on, I'm going to rinse them off. They're new gloves, but I like to rinse them before I get down in my food with them. Okay, I have some minced onions that I put in there as well, along with my other seasonings, and some parsley flakes and some white pepper, and I'm going to put a little bit of green onion in there as well. Okay, I'm going to get all of this mixed up. But first off, I have this 8x8 cooking dish, and I think it's going to be large enough. And I'm going to put just a little oil in the bottom. And this is actually avocado and olive oil mixed. So I'm going to mix this up like so. I have 3 stalks of green onions in here. Going to mix these potatoes all up in here, and I am going to put this in the dish, part of it, and then I think I might add a little sour cream to it. And see, I do the sour cream on the chicken, but I don't remember if I've done it on the beef. And I've preheated my oven to 350, and I'm going to let this cook for about 45 minutes. But as you can see, I have everything all mixed up here, and potatoes in there. And so I'm going to do this here. I'm going to put this in here and flatten it all out. Flatten it all out like so. Let's see how. So I'm going to put the top part on here. See how I have this all flattened out. Okay, I'm going to hold you right there. I think I'm going to sprinkle just a little of sour cream. Just spread a little sour cream on top. Just a little bit. And I'll put some cheese on there as well. Yeah. Come on, y'all. Just going to put a little sour cream and just a little bit. Just put some right here, a little bit right here, just a little bit here, and I am going to spread it over like so. We have to get a little bit more so I can spread it evenly. Okay, this should do it. Put a little bit of sour cream. Get it, spread it really well on there. Okay. Now, I'm going to put a little bit more of, just a little bit of olive oil on top, about a teaspoonful, and spread that around. Now, I'm going to sprinkle some cheese on top. Just gonna sprinkle a little cheese, and I've washed my hands and they are impeccably clean. So I'm gonna take my hand here and just spread a little bit on here. And like so. And this is mild cheddar and Parmesan cheese, okay? So I have a little more meat that I'm going to put on top. And let me get some gloves again so that I can flatten this out. Washing off the glove. Okay, I'm just gonna do this to flatten it out on top. And this will be different, and it should be really, really good. You get tired of the same old dishes all the time, so you just start just putting stuff together and just trying new things, new dishes. So, and this is going to be put in the oven for about 45 minutes. Now I'm going to take the rest of the cheese and sprinkle it on top. Covering all of the meat. Parmesan, and okay, we'll just sprinkle it all over like so. Now, and then once it comes out of the oven, I will bring you back and let you see what it looks like. You know what? I have some provolone cheese, but I'm not going to put it on right now. I'm just going to put this in the oven, and I will set the timer for 45 minutes. Okay, y'all. I'll pause right Welcome to my channel once again. And this is the casserole that you saw me put together. It is ground beef and potatoes. And I want you all to follow the video. And let me see. And I'll tell you in the video just what I did. And I did let it bake for, here it is. Look at this. Look at that. I let it bake for 45 minutes instead of 40. And this is what it looks like. Now, let me just see. Look at this. Ooh, that cheese. And look at that. Mmm. Mmm. It is delicious. Mmm. Mmm. So, so good, y'all. You must try it. It's quick. It's simple. Easy to make. This is you have your meat, your potatoes in there, and some veggies, and all of the good seasonings, your cheese. All you need is one good side. This is Patty Southern Kitchen. If you like this video, please like, share, give me the thumb up, and follow my page, make comments, ask questions. If you try the dish, tell me how you like it. And please subscribe. And don't forget to ring that bell. That is the notification bell that will alert you each time I do a video. Thank you so much. I love y'all. Thank you for your support, for following, subscribing. Thanks to all of my channel members. Come again soon and check out the next exciting video. Bye now.